Wagwan people, blessing to all the viewers and the subscribers. Welcome back to the channel, the DNA News TV. And we're here to bring you the latest news and updates. So my people, I still on the Clansman one gang trial. So the judge, that is BRYAN SYKES, that is Chief Justice BRYAN SYKES, and a High Commissioner of Police, who are one of the police witness, go head to head about why C4 not getting charged and be prosecuted, because he was talking about this from last week, and he said why him still cannot understand why he cannot get charged. And if this man they get charged, or the police them they serious about for charge him, you feel this man that brings so much information and put himself in a this jeopardy for get all of them voice recording and them thing they from them? He wouldn't manage to do that. He would do that if the police them said them what did I charge him. So Sykes, you're one big judge and I respect you, but it look like you're there on some payroll or something, cause me not understand why you keep on saying that. Why you want the man to get charged? If he did get charged, you wouldn't have a court right now for this side. But my people, I have a look at info I'm going to read to you. A police witness on Monday testified that detective did not charge a former member of the one-down fiction of the Clansman gang in the interest of national security and the far greater good of the country. BRYAN SYKES opened that the practice by the Jamaican Constabulary Force could encourage gangsters who are engaging in murder to escape prosecution by giving evidence against their cronies. So people that was Sykes still saying and talking about why. So he's saying that the cops them encourage the C4 not to get charged, because I can't understand with this guy, this judge here, something wrong, because he couldn't be in his right mind to say that and keep on reiterating about C4s to get charged and things like that. I can't understand. The lawman told the court that he was of the views that there was not sufficient evidence for investigators to probe the witness role in the gang. The witness also pointed to statements from other witnesses which corroborate information that was given to the police by the witness. BRYAN SYKES did not agree with those suggestions by the witness and contended that the police decision was not building on the judge. So people, listen to this part. This is where BRYAN SYKES don't interested and don't really care about what the witness had to say or what the police had to say about. See, his assessment are irrelevant, is not even persuasive, declared a seemingly pivot Sykes. So he said that right now, this way you tell me, it don't make no sense what you tell me right now. I don't really care what you want to say. It don't even persuasive, or it not relevant right now. So I'ma put him aside and don't care what the detective have to say about C4 not getting charged. So right now is a no right this so. And I quote again, people. When it comes to assessment, it's a judicial decision, he reiterated. Sykes went on to ask the lawman to state how difficult it would be for the police force to source evidence against a man who had already admitted to participating in several crimes. But he have to do that. He have to do that, because if he never do that, that mean they would have locked him up, or them would have believe him. They must say, yo, no sir, me not believe you. So him do it and record all of the recording that him do and bring it back. And as so comes, them believe everything when him say, and I saw them have him and I make him do all of them job there. So right now, Sykes, me not know what you say now. Cause I first me I see this in a history. Sykes then questioned the witness, and I quote, "A person who confesses to murder, illegal possession of firearm, extortion, and some of the most serious offenses, that person don't even spend a day in prison." End of quote. And he continued. The judge said, "The moral of the story then, if I am a murderer, all I need to do not to spend time in to go and talk to the police." The witness in response said that often time containing witnesses result in them refusing to give evidence. On that premise, the cop said he was confident that detectives would not have received the body of information they got from the witness. I then asked him to give voluntary statement and made it clear to him that he would be prosecuted. Some people, this really don't look good and see for them position right now, because it's look like this big judge Sykes he might take side with the defendant them, because he know for a fact what he asking about this man to get charged, C4 to get charged. He know that nothing like that shouldn't have been arose in the court. You understand? So next week now, this will be continue, because they must give another good information about why he don't get charged. And he know that, but he will play some kind of, I don't know what he playing, but Sykes, like you need this to go to swing on the other side, because you want you want all them defendant win the case or something, or you're on a payroll or something, because judge like you shouldn't behave like this. You understand? Some people, that was the end of it. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.